The truth about side hustles that no one's telling you. Imagine this. You come across a super popular post on social media that says you can easily make $100K on the side. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? It's all made up. But hold on tight because that's just the beginning of the shady world of side hustles. Every single day, there are tons of people who get tricked by these false promises and end up losing their money. It's like these misleading claims spread like crazy on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, making it seem like success can happen overnight. But the reality is far from it, my friend. Recent studies show that 73% of side hustlers are pouring their valuable time and resources into the wrong income streams. In 2024, this misconception isn't just costly, it's devastating to thousands of aspiring entrepreneurs. The financial impact extends far beyond initial investments, affecting families, relationships, and mental health. What's more concerning is that these failures often go unreported, creating a dangerous echo chamber of success stories while hiding the harsh realities of the side hustle landscape. The rising need for reliable side income in today's economy. Let's face the facts, 78% of Americans now require multiple income streams just to maintain their standard of living. This isn't a trend, it's our new economic reality. The traditional single income model has become obsolete, forcing individuals to adapt or fall behind. This shift represents a fundamental change in how modern families approach financial stability and wealth building. The 2024 economic landscape has created a perfect storm. Rising inflation, stagnant wages, and increasing living costs have transformed side hustles from optional extras to necessary survival tools. The average household now needs an additional $1,500 monthly just to keep pace with inflation. This financial pressure is particularly acute in major metropolitan areas, where cost of living increases outpace national averages by 15 to 20%. The emergence of digital platforms and remote work opportunities has democratized entrepreneurship like never before. However, this accessibility comes with a hidden danger. The easier it becomes to start a side hustle, the harder it gets to choose the right one. The market is saturated with options, making decision paralysis a real challenge for newcomers. Each platform promises unique opportunities, but few deliver on their potential. The cost of choosing the wrong side hustle extends far beyond money. We're seeing unprecedented rates of burnout, wasted resources, and shattered dreams. Traditional advice about passive income has led countless aspiring entrepreneurs down expensive dead-end paths. Jane, a former dropshipper, lost $12,000 chasing the wrong opportunity. Her story represents thousands of similar experiences where seemingly promising ventures turned into financial nightmares. Mark spent 6 months building an online course that generated 0 sales, highlighting the crucial importance of market research and validation before investing significant time and resources. Your action plan for side hustle success. The top 3 most profitable side hustles of 2024 based on comprehensive analysis. 1. Specialized technical consulting. Average hourly rate, $150 to $200. Market growth rate, 23% annually. Success rate, 67% after 12 months. Key industries: cybersecurity, AI integration, data analytics. Required expertise level, advanced. Startup costs, minimal to moderate. 2. Niche digital content creation. Revenue potential, $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Platform diversification opportunities. Scalability factor, 85%. Popular niches: financial literacy, tech reviews, wellness. Content types: video, written, audio. Growth trajectory, 3 to 6 months to profitable. 3. Skill-based online coaching. Entry barrier, medium. ROI potential, 200 to 300%. Client retention rate, 76%. Target markets: professionals, entrepreneurs, students. Average client value, $2,500. Time to first client, 2 to 4 weeks. Remember, the most successful side hustle isn't always the most popular one. It's the one that aligns with your skills, schedule, and financial goals. Take action today using our comprehensive resource guide in the description below. Success in the side hustle economy requires strategic thinking, proper research, and consistent execution.